Hello everyone, and you are here with Lord Gifty. We are still working on linear equation. There is a question in front of us. Let's try to solve. If a line has equation 5x plus y is equal to 20, find y-intercept, find x-intercept, find gradient and slope. And first of all, look at the equation. Whatever is given to you, you note it down. So 5x plus y equals 20. That is what is given to you. And you know the linear equation, how you write it. It should be in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c, or some people will write p. That is fine, still okay, doesn't matter, right? Now, first of all, we have to change it into this format. You see, is it, when you look at these two equations, do they look same? No, I don't think they are in the same format. You see, the y should be alone. The y should be alone. You see, y should be alone here on this side. The y is not alone here. So what we will be doing is we'll be moving the 5x on the different side. So the equation will become something like this. Y is equal to minus 5x, because we are moving it. It was positive 5x. You move it to the different side. You flip it. The sign also flipped. So minus 5x plus. Right. So now it looks like above equation. You can compare things. Now whenever they ask you find gradient, find slope, that means you are finding m. One and the same thing. Now how much is m? If you compare these two equations, how much is m? We can clearly see that the value of m is negative 5. You have to keep the symbol in the mind. Okay, it says negative here, so we have to keep that thing there. Okay, we have to keep the symbol as well. So the value of slope is negative. The next question they have asked you to do is find out y-intercept. Whenever they want you to find y-intercept, what you do is you replace x in the equation with 0. So 5 multiplied by 0 plus 20. So you saw, in the equation we have 5x, and I replace x with 0. I will be left with y is equal to 5 minus 5 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Y is equal to 20. That is what is y-intercept. But to write it in a better way, last time I forgot, I think it should be written like this: 0, 20. Now the next thing they are asking us is find out x-intercept. Well, when you're finding y-intercept, you put the value of x to be 0. Here, this time we'll be replacing the value of y to be 0. So 0 equals minus 5x plus 20. We have to find out the value of x. Now we'll move 20 on the another side, or you can move 5x on another side, depends on you. I'll move 5x on another side. The sign will change. It was negative 5x. If I move it on the other side, it will become positive 5. Now x is equal to 20 divided by 5. Well, you know the answer. X should be 4. So that means the intercept here is, x-intercept is when x is 4, y is 0. So this is how you actually find out x-intercept and y-intercept. The difference here from the last video was that the equation is not given into you in y is equal to mx plus c form. So you change it, you move it in such a way that it looks like it is comparable to this equation. Then you found out m, we have to keep the symbol in the mind, and we kept it. And the next thing is y-intercept. How you find y-intercept is replace x with 0. We did that. And for x-intercept, you replace the value of y to be 0. And that's how you solve linear equations, x-intercept, y-intercept, and slope. You have any questions, please comment down and I will try to solve. Right? That should be it. See you, Lord Gifty here.